video, we're going to learn how to use your kids to exercise, right? So it will show them, how to have fun and move, and the best part is you get a great workout. And so let's get started. This is my daughter Lily. You want to say hi? Hi. Right? And so we're just going to do a little warm up. So Lily's going to hop on my back. Just depends on how strong you are. Right? So for me, I'm just going to use her body weight and just do some regular squats, right? And so as a person, unlike a dumbbell or a barbell, Lily's going to be moving around, right? Which sort of challenges her core and balance and stability a little bit more, right? So just like any squat, you want to make sure that you have your shoulder blades back, your stomach is in and braced, good posture. If you notice, I'm not looking down, I'm not looking excessively straight, right? Sort of good posture like this. Just give you a side view, right? So we can do some repetitions. And once your legs are warmed up, now we can do some more dynamic exercises, right? So I'm going to have Lily come down. So I'm going to take Lily. Lily's going to face the camera, and we're going to do a little press, like this. And press. And press. And press. And press. And press. Okay? All right, so we're going to do a couple repetitions of that. It's going to work your shoulders, core, stability, and trunk. And of course, not every exercise or every movement in life is in straight lines. So we're going to do some diagonal movements. So I'm going to grab Lily like this. And I'm going to take her and move her across. And move her across. And move her across. And move her across. Of course, we want to go even and go the other way. And move her across. And move her across. And move her across. And move her across. All right. And then we're going to have some fun. So Lily's going to grab, let's go over here and grab onto the rope with your hands. Sit down on the floor. And we're going to do a little pull. And we're going to turn around and do a little pull. And turn around and do a little pull. And turn around and do a little pull. Okay, so we can get a little bit dynamic with this. So you can go like this. We can pull Lily across and then pull her across the other way. And then pull her across, and then pull her across the other way, and then we can get a little bit more fun. And going across, and squat and pull her across, and squat and pull her across, and squat and pull her across. Right, so these diagonal movements tend to stimulate how we move in life. You can see I'm a little bit short of breath. It's a little workout. And then now Lily's going to stand up. Good, you can let go of the strap. You can hop on my back again. Good. And so, depending upon how advanced you are, you can do some plyometrics. Right? So level 4 on our ranking system, where you jump up and land. Jump up and land. Jump up and land. Jump up, land. Like this. Okay, so if your legs are pretty strong, if jumping or just squatting, by the way, is too easy, you can always do a one-legged squat and come back up. Right, balance, one-legged squat, and come back up. And balance, and one-legged squat, and come back up. Right? So again, depends on your strength, your balance, and your coordination levels. Okay? Yes, it's a little sweaty from these workouts. So you might be thinking, well, there's some other muscles we have at work, maybe some bicep curls, triceps, but when I lifted Lily and pulled her across, that does work all of the bicep muscles. And so we can do some pushing exercises. Yep, so the shoulder press was a pushing exercise. We can do a little bit of more diagonal patterns like this. Across. Across. Across, across, and we go the other way, across, across, and across, right? Funny. So those are the workouts that you can do with your kids safely, at home. Have fun.